Ince the appearance of the first edition of Plant Pathology in June 1969. Tremendous advances have been made both in the science of plant pathology and in the publishing business. New information published in the monthly Plant Pathological and related biological journals, as well as in specialized books and annual reviews, was digested, and pertinent portions of it were included in each new edition of the book. The worldwide use of the book, in English or in its several translations, also created a need to describe additional diseases affecting crops important to different parts of the world. There has been, therefore, a continuous need to add at least some additional text and more illustrations to the book with as little increase in the size of the book as possible. Fortunately, through the use of computers, tremendous advances have been made in the publishing business, including paper quality and labor costs, and, particularly, in the reproducibility and affordability of color photographs and diagrams. Plant diseases and plant pathology come alive when illustrated in full color, and it has been the author's dream to have all the figures in color. Add to these advances the interest of the author and of the publishers to spare no effort or expense in the production of this book, and you have what we believe is the best book possible for the effective teaching of plant pathology at today's college level worldwide. To begin with, Plant Pathology, 5th edition, provides each instructor with all the significant new developments in each area and gives the instructor choices in the type and amount of general concepts material, chapters 1 to 9, and of specific diseases, chapters 10 to 16. She will cover. Each chapter begins with a fairly detailed, well-organized table of contents that can be used by students and instructors as an outline for the chapter. The instructor can also use it to cover parts of it in detail in class, while some of the topics are covered briefly and others are assigned to the students as further reading. Each student, however, has all the latest material, well organized and beautifully illustrated, available in a way that is self-explanatory and, with the complete glossary provided, can be understood with minimal effort. Instructors will have an even greater choice in the kinds of specific diseases one would use in a specific area of the country or of the world where one teaches. While one may want to include the teaching of potato blight, apple scab, wheat rust, bacterial soft rot, root knot, and some other diseases of general interest, one often also wants to cover diseases of particular interest in the region, both because of their regional importance and because of their availability locally for further study in the classroom and the laboratory.